Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, May 26th. Let's see what we have to do for today. It's Wednesday. That means it's an async day. We will not have class on Zoom. Let's see what you have to do. In async, you have two activities. First activity is one world. So just make sure you can check off some of these things. Most of you have completed your evidence and you just have to upload it. You've done your POV in the outline document, and you should have your claim. So now we're just finding the evidence. So you should at least have done the first four. Okay. All right. So make sure most of the stuff is done. Your next activity is a discussion, yes or no questions. So you're going to practice writing information and yes, no questions. So you'll see different scenarios and then you can put questions that go with it. You see someone trip and fall down. Are you okay? Do you need some help? What happened? Just come up with some questions. And here's some examples. Okay, so that's all you're going to do. And that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Good luck.